Hello! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I'm still in Scottsdale and now we are on our way to a mall called Fashion Square. We are taking an Uber from the hotel to the mall and I can't wait to show you the mall there. While we wait for the Uber, I will show you around the hotel. There are many water fountains on this property, and here's a cool statue. It looks like a Native American statue. My husband surprised me. We are going to take a Waymo. Do you know about these self-driving cars? What happens if I sit in the driver's seat? I will sit in the back because I want the tinted window. This is so weird. I've never ridden in one of these before. Hello, driver. Let me close the door. I actually really like it in here because...
As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips.
I like this car because there's no air freshener. Kind of creepy.
Please don't touch the steering wheel or pedals during your ride.
I like the spa music in here. We will be arriving at the mall in 9 minutes. I will roll down the window so I can explain and describe my surroundings. As you can see, the architecture in Arizona is a lot different compared to Los Angeles. Here is the property's golf course. Let me know in the comments, would you ride in a self-driving car or do you not trust it? I guess we like to live life on the edge and allow a robot to drive us around town. Have you heard of the term to live life on the edge? It means that you take risks. And I would definitely say that we are taking a risk right now by allowing the robot to drive us to the mall. In Scottsdale, there are a lot of gated communities and large homes. I would consider Scottsdale to be an affluent area. Let me ask my husband for a little bit of vocabulary support. What is the definition of affluent?
An area where people have a lot of money.
Thank you. In the navigation, you can see the surrounding cars, which is really cool. I wish I had that safety feature in my car. What do you call this body of water that is under the bridge here?
Riverbed.
Ding, ding, ding. That's what I was going to say. In a few days from now, it is Labor Day. Well, I thought we were at our final destination, which was Fashion Square, but it turns out there seems to be 2 fashion squares in this area. So now we are driving back down to find the mall. All right, we finally made it. Here we go. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Dick's Sporting Goods. I used to go there a lot when I was younger to buy sports gear such as soccer cleats, shin guards, softball mitt. We are in the women's department of the sporting goods store. This type of clothing is called athleisure, for athletic and leisure. So it means that you can wear this when you want to be comfortable, not necessarily when you're working out. This seems like a pretty normal mall to me. It's like the mall that we have back in Los Angeles. This is an indoor mall, but it has a lot of natural light from the skylight above. It looks like we are now heading towards the more luxury type stores, such as Gucci, Louis Vuitton. In America, we call it Louis Vuitton. We are leaving the mall now to go find some food. So this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe, and comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.